Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be replacing the final stage unit on the E39. And with that being said, it should be a pretty easy, straightforward install. I actually surprised myself when I did it. So it's pretty simple. And it got the fan from it would just constantly keep running. So the fan would just constantly keep running. And when I would turn the car off, the car would die. The battery would run out and it would kill the battery completely. So I started reading on forums, started looking around, and I ended up realizing, I came to the conclusion it was a final stage unit on the car. And I also tried the trick of taking off the fuse for the AC, and to no avail. It didn't work. So long story short, it was a final stage unit. We got that ordered through Amazon, so I'll leave the link down below so you guys can get that part. We could have gone OEM, but I have heard good things about the Amazon part, so I decided to go ahead and try it. It wasn't that expensive, so why not? You're probably gonna spend more on food nowadays and gas than on that part. So anyways, without further ado, let's begin today's video. All right guys, so final stage unit, I already took it off, but I'm gonna do a really quick run through. Won't be a long video. So you have this little thing here, and you'll have a Phillips screw that goes there. Once you remove that, this comes right off. You just pull it off, and you guys can see this is like this, so you kind of see how it's there. Once this is off, work it a little bit back and then out, and that will be it. Final stage unit is going to be, let me show you guys. It's going to be all the way in there. It's going to be in like this. So what you do, there's this, like, once you take it out, there's this thing here. You're just gonna work it out, and you're gonna press this thing that I'm pressing, press it down, and you pull it out. You don't have to take this glove box off. I've seen some videos where you do that. There is enough space to remove the roller motor resistor. So I'll put the link down below where I got this from, and let me install the new one. And in she goes as well, just like this. I think like this. So let me go ahead and do that. So reminder guys, this is going to go in like this, okay? See the shape of that triangle? This has to go in like this and in like that. So put that in. You guys can see it. All right, let me show you guys a little close up here. See that? That thing, you see that? Oh man, I can't reach out dinosaur arms. This has to, that little black thing has to be pushing, that tab has to be pushing. So let me work it in there. Okay. All right, now all you're gonna do is get your connection and connect it right on there. It's so hard to film. There she is. She's right back on there. All right, and there it is. It's back on, and that was about max 10 minutes tops to change that out. Super easy. Now let's go ahead and turn on this car. All right, so moment of truth. Car is no longer making the blower resistor noise. Everything works perfectly fine. Everything's good except for that little gear that I'm gonna have to check that out. I'm not sure why. But everything's working so far. The AC is no longer, messed up, so that is awesome. And now I can actually change. You can hear it up. Now I can actually turn it off. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, please give a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have liked videos so far and you want to see more content like that, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And with that being said, guys, we'll see you on the next one.